Hello everyone, today we'll be witnessing the exciting unboxing of the Redmi Note 3 Pro. As you can see, the box is already open because it was delivered by Telcel, so let's see what it contains. Here we have the phone, the screen is still sealed. Remember, this Redmi features a 6.67 inch display with 120Hz HDR10. Its processor is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G. It has 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. The rear camera is 108 megapixels, while the front camera is 16 megapixels. The battery capacity is 5020 mAh and supports 33 watts fast charging. It runs on Android 11 with MIUI 12. It comes with Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth. Its dimensions are 164 by 76.5 by 80.1 mm and it weighs 193 grams. It's a bit heavier compared to other phones I've had. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint reader for added convenience. Let's see what else is in the box. We found the rubber protective case, the manuals, and inside we have the USB Type-C cable and the charge. Well friends, as you can see, here is the Redmi Note 10 Pro, and it truly is a beautiful phone with impressive features. That's all for today. I hope you like this unboxing. If you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.